Sneezing. Everyone does it, but have you ever thought about why? A sneeze occurs when our body tries to expel irritants from the nose or throat. When the nasal membrane gets tickled, it sends a signal to the brain, resulting in that big, explosive release of air. In fact, sneezes can travel at speeds up to 100 miles per hour, spreading germs in a microscopic cloud. But here's the fun twist. Holding in a sneeze can actually hurt you, so let it out instead. And despite all the mess, sneezing mostly helps our bodies stay healthy by clearing out those pesky particles. Now you know, next time you achoo, it's just your body's way of keeping you safe.